The unicorn and the lion.
They're fighting for the crown.
They're fighting for the crown. And then the unicorn's eating cake. And then in the end, they both win. Diba? Kahit panay nagulpe yung unicorn.
Nagulpe yun.
Yung isa maganda yung diet niya. Kasi yung unicorn, puro cake ang kinakain. Lake Tahoe. Woo! Your lens is dirty. Hi guys, we're here at Emerald Bay. It's really beautiful. We're about 5 days out from my weightlifting competition. Just focusing on keeping my diet good and clean, keeping my macros on point, trying not to stress out too much because taking a trip can be very stressful, especially with kids. Being stress-free is the way to go if you want to have a successful meet. And try to be stress-free, take in these views, practice some deep breathing exercises. All right, well, we're probably gonna head home. We'll see you guys there. We just got back from Lake Tahoe. On our way home, we decided to take a little bit of a scenic route. We had a teenager with an attitude. We had a baby that had just fallen asleep for her afternoon nap. We had a very nauseated pit bull that was farting the whole ride through.
It's very gassy.
Stress farts. You guys put the picture together.
We got the recommendation from one of our coworkers, like, oh, this is the most beautiful place in the world. You have to stop in
She
here.
didn't say that.
If you're gonna be here, the most beautiful you'll ever see in your entire life.
We realized it's a 2-mile hike down to the beautiful bay. So we decided to just take pictures from the top and take off after that. And then I think, hey, let's fly the drone from the car. Get some beautiful scenic shots.
Drones, sometimes it can be a little noisy, and people are trying to enjoy their vacation and see the views and take pictures for themselves and have their little moments. So we're like, we'll be respectful. We'll go down the road a little bit and we'll take off from there. We'll, be nice and discreet and nonchalant and just fly the drone out, and which we did, and it was great. It was going very smoothly.
All of a sudden I hear some beeping randomly. I didn't think too much of it. I get out of the car just to see what's going on, and all of a sudden I hear, critically low battery. Critically low battery. And I look over, I'm like, he usually knows how to do this. I mean, I don't need to tell him that the lady's saying, get it back now.
I could hear the lady. She's very bossy though, so I...
Hey, you're used to bossy. Sassy. You sassy. Bossy's out. Sassy's in.
Sorry.
Okay, so the drone lands itself about 900 feet. 900 feet away from us.
I chose to override the lady who was very
sassy,
very executively skilled oriented.
There you go.
So we were very close to home. I was on a direct path to where we were, but apparently there wasn't quite enough battery to get us there, so the drone automatically began to land itself. It just happened to be about 900 feet down the road from where we were.
The whole time I thought it was gonna land in the trees, and I'm like, there's no way we're gonna get this drone back in like the mountains. Landed off to the side of the street, and we can see on the camera that it is on the side of the road. There are cars. So then he like freaks out, but we were probably both freaking out inside, but we were very calm. And he like went to go walk towards where we thought the drone was. The signal was bad, so
I was mostly freaking out because I saw a guy on the screen in a teal shirt picking up
so our only lead was that the guy in a teal shirt, so we were frantically looking for any guy on the road with a teal, green, blue mixed shirt.
Any color will do.
So then I roll my window down, start asking people. There's this lovely couple with a woman with a selfie stick, and we're like, hey, did you guys see a drone? They're like, first of all, I'm like, what is a drone? And I'm talking about a drone as if it's a normal thing that we lost. Like, hey, did you guys see our drone that like flew randomly? And a guy told us that, oh yeah, it flew over there by a Mustang. And we're like, okay, so we had teal shirt and Mustang to go off of. So we're like driving frantically, still haven't seen it. We see a Mustang convertible Mustang drive down the street with a guy with a green, teal was a stretch. It was like a green shirt. I'm like, hurry, let's go. Drive after this white convertible Mustang with the guy with the green shirt on, and I like run up to their car. I got out of my car, run up to their car, and like, hey, excuse me, have you seen our drone that like flew down? Did you like pick it up? And they were confused as to what I was saying. Well, they also had European accents, so maybe they just didn't speak English. But anywho, in my mind, I'm like, come on, open your trunk. Then I realized we didn't really ask the guy what color Mustang he had.
No.
So then we would have to retrack our witness and ask him what color the Mustang. It turns out it was a black Mustang, and it wasn't the people that owned the Mustang that picked up the drone. He just saw it around a black Mustang.
The guy wasn't very helpful.
His wife took a lot of selfies with a selfie stick. But who am I to judge? Did we insure the drone? Quiet. Did we register the drone? Maybe like if the guy tried to turn in the registration number or the serial number, maybe he could lead it back to us. Quiet response.
There were some crickets.
There were crickets. This whole trip has taught us that we just need to be patient with each other, learn new things about each other.
Get better at flying your drone.
Anywho, and at the end of the day, we grew more together as a couple because I knew he was already stressed out, so I didn't want to add fuel to the fire and stress him out even more by being upset or questioning why you don't listen to the lady when she says critically low battery. I think critical, she's smart. Critically low battery. I mean, that's different from just low battery.
Except I told her what level was critical, so really it's me talking to myself with a woman's accent.
Why you don't listen to the lady? So
Listen to yourself.
the whole drive home, I just tried to tell myself to hold back any comments because I know Matt was already stressed out. So at the end of the day, we just have to focus on what we do got going on, which is that our whole family got back home safely. We had to drop off my nephew way into the city and then come back home. Dog's fine, baby's asleep and totally fine. Son is okay, we're both in one piece. So again, at the end of the day, that's the most important thing. And all of this to tell you guys, announcement that we're getting
A new drone!
We'll be having a gender reveal party.
A model reveal party.
Reveal party. What kind of drone do you guys think we'll get?
What's it gonna be?
Gonna be a replacement for our Mavic Air.
Quit giving away hints.
Oh, shoot. Well, that's the drone we had.
Leave comments below what you think the drone's gonna be.
Anywho,
We're curious to know what you think it would be.
it was a crazy trip.
It may
but
not be what you think.
We're getting a new drone. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I appreciate it.
Hit the notification button so you are sure to get alerted of any new videos come up, because this algorithm is not going to give it to you. Even if you subscribe, it's not going to tell you when we post a new video.
Hey, I didn't take like physics or anything.
Anyways, hit the notification
algorithms
button.
and stuff. Okay, wait. What? I had something else to say.
You did?
Yes. I totally forgot.
What is it?
On Friday, I lift at 8 a.m. so you guys can watch. We love lifting and we love the sport, so we're really excited to show that to you guys. And we're thankful for those of you that already subscribed and are supporting us. We love you so much and thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.
I'm gonna be swimming in a swimming pool. Also, gonna get hugged and spoiled by a lot of people. Hello.